Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to have another Maya modelling challenge. Just again to remind you where I get all these technical drawing practicing sheets from is studycadcam.com. So there's loads and loads of these ones. I sort of just randomly pick ones that I think look like good fun. So that's where I get them all from. But I intentionally don't practice these beforehand just because I think quite fun to try and figure it out as we're going. So let's have a go. So if you're not sure how to bring in reference image, all I did was come to front view, go to view, import image plane, and go to image there. Right, let's have a look. So I think what we're going to do, let's do this bit first because this probably looks like the hardest bit. Let's start with the cube. Do we move? Just bring this into place. Vertex. Shade in. Try. Right. Let's start adding some edges. Oh. Stop bringing stuff up. Oh, hang on. What's going on? Front. Right. I've done something. Let's delete that. Start again. Let's go front view. Grab a cube. W to move. Let's start again. Right. Multi-cuts. Hold on control. Just click. Start adding in some geometry to move around. Okay. Before we do that, let's undo that. Let's grab those. Let's not grab. Oh, and let's grab that. Control B to bevel. Something like that. Right, let's undo that and then actually add those in first. Scale, make sure they're flat. Let's grab this one first. Drop bead, bevel, with the segments. Bring that down a little bit, like that. Right, now let's go to edge and do these. Control B. Let's bevel. there. Okay, so we've got loads of extra geometry we're going to need to sort out in a little bit, but for now, let's just focus on getting the shape, and then we'll deal with that when it comes to it. Okay, so that's like the rough sort of shape. Let's add some more edges there. Well, you're not cutting. Go to there. I think what we're probably going to do is let's delete half of this as well, so that we're not making sure that it's not going to be, or it is going to be symmetrical rather. See if there any more we need to sort of match up. Excuse me. There we go. Okay. Let's also just now do that. So we're just dealing with like a 2D shape. Yeah, it's starting to look a little bit more like it. I need to get rid of that one. Right, we've still got 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to like do something with. So maybe like that. Okay. Right. Bit messy, but looks okay. Let's scale that there. WDV to move it, and then let's mirror that across. Object. Mesh. Combine. Vertices. Merge. All right. Front view, shading, X-ray, Control E to extrude, offset to bring that in, edit mesh, sectorize, radial offset, bring that down, excuse me, and delete. That's then, so it's closed along the top but not at the bottom. Basically from there to there. W, hit shift. Right, before we do that, let's D, W to duplicate, back, just hide that for a second and do that again. Drop E, offset, edit mesh, circularize, delete. Mesh display, let's just reverse so we can join those. Mesh, combine, don't know if this is going to work or not, but we'll give it a go. Oh, maybe that circle is there. Right. Control D, W, move, display, mesh, yes, mesh, combine. Right. Edge. W. Going across there. Right, let's target weld. Wrong thing. This is definitely a bit more complex than the first. What are we going to go doing? Okay. Right, and the back is flat. So let's grab that, hit R, scale flat. And give us a quick save. There we go. And then we've got, like I said, about most of that shape. Little indent part there. So let's multi-cut. Grab that bevel. Bevel again, but bring that fraction in. Okay, I've forgotten how to edge slide. Just because I've been using Blender recently. Hang on. Minor, how to edge slide. Right, shift. No, that's not. Mesh tools. Slide edge. Right, let's just do it this way. Line it up like that. There is a way to do that. Properly. I just cannot for the life of me remember what it is. Hang on, is it with the mouse? No, it's not doing it. Either way, Right, done. Same on this side. Shading X-ray. Okay. I think we're done with that. So let's give that a quick save. Control E to extrude, give it a bit of thickness. Actually, first of all, let's take that, Control D, E to rotate it around. Move it in position. Just so we can check thickness we want, although it does look like we're pretty close actually. Let's scale the whole thing slightly. Okay, it's not bad. Okay. Now let's Control E, extrude, give it a bit of thickness. Add some supporting edges. Circles hold in place okay. Let's then just do the edges here. Then let's do these edges so that it stays sharp. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's, for now, get rid of those edges, see what happens. I've got some extra vertices there. So actually, let's check I've got nothing overlapping. Okay, let's give that another go. Okay, maybe that was the issue. Okay, right, we're getting somewhere. So now, tell you what, let's just quickly check. Control. Right. Okay, let's just undo that for a second. What then happens now if I do that? Okay, so I've just realised the only thing I haven't done, excuse me, with the original bevel. Let's go back. Is the internal bits here. Let's see what happens. Looks more like it, and then let's get rid these extra ones we don't want. You we don't want. You we don't want. Okay, so I think we're done with that bit. So that's certainly the harder part. So next, at the top. Okay, I'm gonna give this a quick save. Let's grab cylinder, W to move into place. Shading, X-ray, that's it, T, subdivisions, 1, 2, 6. There we go. It's in position. Get those spaces quickly. Of those, Control E, offset. But before we do that, let's do it this way. Control E, offset, delete, bridge. There we go. W, let's bring that into position. Grab that edge, that edge, not to scale, again, something like that. There we go, so we've got that. We then want a circle to go on top of that. Down into position. A little bit smaller. A little bit flatter, something like that. Bevel those edges as well. And then let's just get rid of those faces. Yes, we've got that. And then let's just move everything into position. Right way around. Yeah. Right. Duplicate those faces. D. W. Move out. Because it's a different poly, it might not like it. Let's D, W, E, J. W. Okay. Let's combine those. Mesh. Combine. Edge. Bridge. Blend. Let's do the same there. Bridge. Object. Mesh display. Reverse. Get rid of some of these unnecessary edges. Add a different color. Display. Show all. Drop E. Put in slightly. Mesh display. Reverse. Add some edge loops. Drop B. Okay, so down. That's the wrong way around. That's what looks wrong. J. There we go. Looks more like it. Everything seems to fit quite nicely. Give that a quick save. Hope this works. There's a little bevel. And then B, do 2 segments. There you go. Excuse me. Right, that's modeling side done. I guess we just want to make sure everything lines up properly, don't we? Okay. Give that another save. The only thing I don't like is there seems to be like a little bit of a bump there. I'll say that is this simply because, let's see. Yes, that got rid of it. So let's. Remember that, isn't it? But it's still a quad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, right. Let's get rid of our image planes. Okay. I'll quickly have a go at wrapping it, unless it drives me absolutely insane. UV, make that a bit smaller. UV, delete UVs. Give it a check marker. Create, camera based. That's going to be a pain. I may end up quitting. Okay, let's see if we manage to do that properly. Actually, I think we might have. Okay, that went much better than expected. Let's take this one, create, based. Cut. There we go. Last two, create, camera based. Good. Done. And the last one. Create camera based. Unfold. There we go. Right. We've managed to wrap that. Not too much trouble. Let's just UV, give that a modify and layout. Turn those on a second just to check all looks good. Just trying to make sure they're the same sort of size and no sort of distortion. Some distortion there, annoyingly. Right. Let's go to mesh, smooth, mesh, smooth. I'm just going to give that a blend. So that's the end of the modelling and the unwrapping side of things. I will jump over to Marmoset again just to sort of texture because it's quite fun to add some materials and stuff. But definitely a bit more of a challenge than the first one, but still quite a fun little one to do. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. If you've got any questions, leave a comment down below or email me at simon@outlook.com. Okay, so we're inside of Marmoset. I have baked my mocks and everything. All we're going to do is just add some simple materials. So I'm just going to come up to window and grab my material library. Again, it's just like a pipe bracket thing, so let's just come to like materials. Let's go for like a metal. This time let's go for like a, oh, let's see how this looks. Okay, I think I'm not a fan of that. The copper. I don't like colour brushed because it always looks a bit weird. You know what? Let's do like a powder coat. Let's change colour. I think the actual one was like yellowy, wasn't it? So let's I can't decide. Let's change our mind again. Materials, metal. So yeah, let's just do something like that. It's already got bits of wear and tear and stuff onto it, but let's just add a couple more extra layers. Let's go to rust. Put that in, but I don't want to have displacement. Let's add that mask. Add scratches, windows, textures, crunch maps. to do that. Let's drag it over there, out of the way. But yeah, just something a little subtle like that, and then let's add one more. No, there. Let's come down. Yeah, another fill layer. Let's make that a grey sort of thing. Roughness will bring up black mask. Along the edges slightly. Right. I think we'll stop there. Let's just get sky. And I'm going to add in my favourite 3-point light. I'm going to brighten this up a little bit. Bring that down a little bit. We've got some contrast to it. Render. Let's then turn, where are we? Question. Retraced. And then, it should be my desktop. My modeling challenge 2. Transparent, and let's render it. Okay, so that's the end of my modelling challenge 2. Hopefully you find in the series quite fun. It's quite fun to do because it's quite nice to like flex the old Maya brain a little bit. Got any questions, leave a comment down below or email me at design with Simon@outlook.com.